Hello, my name is Angus Sullivan, and today I will be discussing with you the molecule of adenosine triphosphate, or as it is more commonly known, ATP. The ATP molecule is of particular importance to everyone because it is what is known as the universal energy donor, meaning that every movement or physiological process within an organism that requires energy is powered by this molecule. This is very important to me as a future exercise scientist, as I am required to understand how and why this molecule operates to perform its function. ATP is one of the few highly priority molecules in the human body that is not considered a macromolecule due to its size. This means that an ATP molecule is relatively small in size and less complex compared to others such as deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. Because this molecule is relatively small, the groups or rings that make up the backbone of this molecule are fairly obvious. ATP consists of the adenosine group, a ribose group, and has 3 phosphate groups connected as a side chain. This structure can be clearly seen in the diagram, and the molecule must be structured like this in order to serve its purpose as a universal energy donor. ATP is highly water-soluble molecule, and in its natural form, as it is drawn here, is also highly reactive. This is because the electrons of the lone pairs in the oxygen molecules above each phosphate, orbiting through the general space highlighted in red, want to get as far away from each other as possible because 2 extra electrons will repel each other as they are both negatively charged. Being highly water-soluble and highly reactive are the properties that make ATP so useful. In the presence of water, ATP undergoes hydrolysis, breaking the farthest phosphate group from the molecule, leaving ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and 1 extra phosphate molecule. When this bond is broken, a significant amount of energy is released, which is used to undertake whatever physiological process is needed. After this bond is broken and energy is released, the body uses dietary fuels to resynthesize the molecule by reattaching the broken phosphate group to because the potential of ATP in the body is a constant, meaning it cannot be consumed in a diet, so we use dietary energy to resynthesize what we have. This is how the structure of ATP provides the properties to serve its function as the universal energy donor.